In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify and Amazon. If you're running an online store and want to expand your reach, integrating these platforms can be an effective way to streamline your operations and reach more customers. Stay with me as we walk through this step by step, ensuring that you have a smooth connection between your Shopify store and Amazon seller account. Firstly, you're going to want to ensure you have active accounts on both platforms, Shopify and Amazon Seller Central. It's important to note that an Amazon professional seller account is required to make this integration work. Once you've verified that both accounts are ready for the task, let's head over to the Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, click on Apps. This is where most integrations begin in Shopify. Now, in the Apps section, you're going to click on Visit Shopify App Store. This is the place where you'll find the necessary tools to make this connection happen. In the search bar, type Amazon by Codisto. Codisto is a popular app that allows you to integrate your Shopify store with Amazon. Doing this will give you the flexibility to manage listings and orders between the two platforms seamlessly. Once you locate the app, click on Add App. Follow through with the prompts to install Codisto and make sure to give it the necessary permissions to access your Shopify store information. This might include permissions to handle orders and manage listings. After that, head back to your Shopify admin to open Codisto and configure it. In Codisto, you'll be asked to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. This is where the connection magic happens. Input your credentials carefully to avoid errors. Codisto will prompt you to grant necessary permissions for a secure connection, ensuring that your Shopify and Amazon accounts can communicate effectively. After logging in, the next step involves setting up your product listings. Codisto will give you options to either sync your existing Shopify products to Amazon or manage them directly from the app. Take some time to ensure that product titles, descriptions, and images meet Amazon standards. This step is crucial as it affects how your products will be listed and discovered on Amazon's vast marketplace. Once your products are ready, proceed to save and sync your listings. This will upload your selected products from your Shopify store to your Amazon account. Now, it's all about configuring your inventory and pricing rules to ensure consistency between the two platforms. Codisto offers several tools to manage these elements effectively. With these steps complete, take a moment to check the integrity of your newly synced listings on Amazon. Make necessary adjustments and verify everything aligns with your strategic goals. By linking Shopify and Amazon, you've opened a channel to manage sales and inventory across platforms efficiently. That's it. You're now set up to sell on both Shopify and Amazon. This integration will help you expand your customer base and make management easier by centralizing some of your e-commerce activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.